guys.
I know we're wearing the same stuff, but welcome back. We left the park.
Okay.
Now we're at our resort.
Gotta check in.
Good news is it's all virtual, like a remote check-in. So you can check in from your phone. So you just go straight to your room.
Woo!
We are in
Timon.
So yeah, I'm ready. We're gonna show you the room, probably check out the hotel, check out some different places, and show you the different things.
Animals, oh my god.
Hopefully we can see some animals. They might be slumped out already. I don't know.
It's getting late, yeah.
Yeah. We are at the room. All right. Let's go. Room review. I'm gonna follow you through. Come on.
Okay. So, first off, we have a whole bathroom here.
Wow.
Just to share with everyone.
Yeah, this is pretty nice. Let's look on the inside. Hello.
Like these soaps.
Complimentary. Those are cool.
These are very nice.
A whole tub.
Little African thing here. It's pretty.
Shampoo, conditioner, body wash.
Yeah.
I like the theme. I really like this theming. Look at the curtain.
Very vibrant.
Nice. It's like Lion King vibes.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. What's in here?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, washer dryer.
This is amazing. Bruh, we could do some laundry. Wash our bathing suits if we need.
I don't have bathing suits.
Got some ots.
Art. We got some art.
Okay. Now we have the separate, little bathroom.
Okay, bathroom number 2.
This has a door, so if you want to go use your private space.
You can take a poop while someone's washing themselves.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
And not have to worry about being seen or being weird.
This is a little different thing.
Okay, we're still with the stuff though.
Yeah.
More towels, tissues, whatnot.
And now we have a large with 2 queens.
2, are they queens or fulls? I don't know.
I think these are queens.
One thing that I do like is that after every stay, they do clean everything. Some stuff will be in bags like this, just to let you know that it is clean.
Nice. Does it have a Bible? Yeah, they're the real ones.
The Bible, a TV.
Look at this balcony. Should we go out to the balcony?
Nah, we'll save that for later. We'll save the balcony for later. This room's super nice. What's this closet down here on the right?
Just a normal little closet for your clothes.
For
if you
clothes. What's this one?
need. Another one.
Another closet.
A little
we
bigger.
we could play hide and seek.
Oh, that would be fun.
All right.
Well,
Here's the fam.
we got the nice new kitchen.
Nice kitchen. Oh, look at this.
Wait.
Oh, you're gonna model the stove for us? No? Oh.
Joffrey's coffee, guys. Joffrey's. We love Joffrey's.
All complimentary. Fridge.
It's not bad, not bad.
Microwave.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher. It's like a full kitchen. I like it.
Yeah, this is like a home.
All right.
Check out this table. I love these.
Beautiful
benches.
table.
Yeah.
Beautiful table. Nice big TV. Again, remotes are all put in these bags. Let you know they're clean. Sanitized. This comes out to a bed.
Hello.
Tell them what this does.
This also turns into a bed.
Nice. Lamps.
now.
Nice art. Toodaloo.
Cheers.
And there's the kitchen, guys.
This is the mom and papa room.
I love this bathroom, guys.
Look at this.
We're gonna be-
The bathroom.
Oh! The bathtub.
The bathtub
And the shower.
and the shower. Ooh. And then we got
Another private little bathroom.
another toilet.
And another closet.
What? Oh, they already put stuff in here. Oh, and a vault. A safe.
Oh, that's perfect.
So that way you can put your valuables and you can stay safe. You don't have to worry about anybody taking your stuff.
So, next is the best part.
It's a beautiful room. Desk, all that. Nice art. Look at this. I really like that. Very beautiful. Let's take a look at this balcony. Look at this. We didn't get the safari view, but Look at this. Shoo.
We can have a party out here, man.
Go, take a sprint. There and back. Go. Back, 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 back. But yeah, so honestly, honest impressions, I love the room. Absolutely love it.
10 out of 10. I'd live here.
And so we're gonna see. We just got, like I said, just got back from Hollywood. That's why we're in the same clothes. And tomorrow will be magic, of course.
Yay.
But we're gonna go adventure a little bit, see what's around. And my brother and his girlfriend will be joining us for the rest of the weekend. So that's gonna be fun. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what else is in store at this resort. Whew. We are now
in the lobby.
The lobby, it looks magnificent. Look at this, this is so relaxing. Like, this gets such good vibes.
There's people around.
Yeah, it's just like we get to, it's so quiet. Like, it's just peaceful, relaxing. This is great, honestly. I love it. Like, just take a look. That, like, oh man, this is awesome. Hold it. We're back from Magic. So what that means, we're back to the hotel vlog.
Oh.
And basically we are going to the pool.
I have a fiance now.
Check that out. This is awesome. They're like a couple there, one back there. Strictly for the animals' sake, this has definitely jumped the list on my favorite resorts. Love the animals.
That's cute.
And I'm wearing the wristband, so because you probably heard the click. I'm wearing the wristband because I'm gonna take you guys into the pool with us.
Oh, shoot.
Ooh. Here we go. Thank you, sir. There's a slide. This might be the kid area. Check it out. This is cool. Check that out. It's where Julian's gonna be. In the kids section. That's where you're gonna be?
Yeah.
That's cute. Oh, let's not get wet right now. I still got my bag. Oh. What the heck? Oh my gosh, sea sport water too. Gee.
It's a hot tub.
Look, a hot tub. What? What? Here's the pool. It's not that big. It's like a beach. Yeah, it's like a beach. Oh.
It's warm.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, let's enjoy. There's so many kids. Oh yeah, she's swimming.
Okay guys, so I'm by the slide. There's a little green and red light that tells you when to go. And it brings you out into the pool. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Okay guys, let's go! Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh yeah! This is so good! Oh my gosh! Another side, to the other side. By him. Alright guys, it's a little baby one, but let's see. Oh, it's warm. Okay.
Checked out this morning. We still wanted to show you guys a little bit more of the hotel. So we are going to quick casual breakfast. 7:30 to 11 a.m. We're gonna share something and then we're off to Animal Kingdom.
Okay guys, so we're in line to order food.
Yeah, it's socially distanced, goes way back around the line, so if you're looking to get breakfast here, you might want to come a little bit early because right now it's like 8:20 or 8:30 now, so we're a little bit behind schedule for the park, but we have plenty of time honestly for the day. But yeah, you just walk up and order your food there.
Can't wait to see what's on that menu.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get one thing, share it.
We're sitting down after we order. Sanitizing.
Check.
I found little Tabascos. They're so cute.
We got a boar breakfast and waffles. So we're gonna share that. Then we're gonna go get our souvenir pin.
So when you get your food, they bring it out in a little paper bag, and then they're inside of these little bins, and you just sit down and grub.
Grub, look at it. It's kind of like all flipped around, and what is that?
Sausage?
I don't know. You got the Mickey waffles.
I got the Mickey waffles. You're so cute. Alright.
Let's dig in, and we'll let you know how it tastes after the fact. Done with the grub, pretty much. What did you think?
It was good. I mean, it's definitely big enough to share.
Yeah, I'd say so. I would say doing getting the boar breakfast that has the bacon, the home fries, biscuit, eggs, all that, and then getting a kid's, the waffles.
Perfect.
Yeah, it was perfect. We each had a waffle. We shared the home fries, the bacon, everything like that. So it's definitely gonna fill us up so we can go eat at the park. So I definitely highly recommend doing that. The gift shop.
Oh, perfect. That's awesome.
There we go. So we got pen, got a magnet, got our pins, got our drinks, and that's it from the Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Sad.
It's been so fun. This is definitely highly recommend this resort. It's absolutely amazing. But yeah, guys.
First resort I got to see it as a fiance.
Remember, show the love.
Sure to love.
We love you guys.
Disney power couple.
Out.
Bye, have a great time.